make one new box for his toy and mug. He knows everything. How to turn cube and how to utilize the space of cube. And he kept everything inside the cube. Now. You want to read? Okay. Panda. Panda. Oh, where's Catty? Panda, panda, catty, 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 panda. Oh! Actually, panda fell off. Baba, panda fell off. Oh, लग गई. This is glass. And how to fix blocks? Oh, tasty, yummy. Oh, what are you drinking? Juice. Baba. Give Panda also. Give this to Panda also. Panda will also drink. Oh, Baba. Wow. But this is Panda's nose. Give eyes. How he will drink from eyes? Give him mouth. Oh, Panda fell off again, Ayansh. Okay, you enjoy. Acha, say bye bye. Where is your ball? Now give this basket to Mama because you have utilized the cube. You keep everything inside the cube. Let's play with ball. Come. Oh, this is big glass. Your glass is very stylish. Where? Here. Where is my baby? Where is my baby? Where? And here. Where? Cinta ta cita cita cinta ta cha. Cinta ta cita cita cinta ta cha. Cinta ta cita cita. Ayansh, cinta ta cita cita. पूरा सामान गिरा देता है फिर से. गंदी बात. Don't throw. Pick it up, come. बाबा बॉटल क्या गिरा है वो देखो. Pick it up. Thank you. Give me and give me bottle also. Give me bottle also. Bottle. Yes. And there's one box also fallen off. Go and pick it up. Box there. Tent house के पास. Yes. Pick it up. Yes. Good boy. Come here. Now dance. चिंतात चिता चिता चिंतात चा चिंतात चिता चिता चिंतात चा. Oh, good boy, good boy. You're cleaning home. Good boy, car. Oh, this is Ayansh car. चिंतात चिता चिता चिंतात चिता चिता चिंतात चा चिंतात चिता चिता चिंतात.